G'day guys, and welcome to another episode of Becoming Self-Sufficient. Isn't it nice to see a break from all the rain that we've been having lately? You see, off the east coast of Australia at the moment is a complex weather system known as La Nina. And what La Nina does is it forces all of the warm water right up against the coast, which in turn, of course, increases evaporation, meaning more rain. Now, yes, we want to water our garden and make sure that it's well taken care of, but too much rain is not a good thing. In fact, on today's episode, I'm going to show you some of the effects that all this rain has had on my garden. Now, one of the first things that I noticed, the soil becomes so loose with a lot of rain. Now, if there's wind as well, like we've been having, you'll notice that your plants begin to lean and eventually they'll fall over like my purple kale here. It's actually leaning up against the green kale behind it. The soil has just gotten too wet and that has caused this plant to fall over. Now quickly come and have a look. I want to show you it even happens in pots. So even though my beautiful little chili plant here is in a pot and it's surrounded by plenty of protection from the wind, I still had to put a stake into the ground, and I've used actually a grass runner here because I know that it'll dry out and eventually fall away. Once the sun comes out and those roots can re-establish, the plant will be able to hold itself upright again. But this amount of rain can affect anything, anywhere, anytime. Check out this next problem I'm having. Now, from where you guys are, it might be difficult for you to see, but the tops of my radishes are almost all gone. And across the fence up there, you'll notice the culprits. When there is a lot of rain and it's a little bit cooler, the snails and the slugs love to come out to play. Because we haven't had any hot days and it has just been a week or two of constant overcast, cool winds and raining, they have come out and they have absolutely chomped all my radish heads. They've also started to go at all the little seedlings that I had in this garden bed. I'm not happy, and La Nina is really starting to take an effect on my garden. Something else to consider when it's this rainy is that all the pollinators don't come out and play. So what you can see here on my cucumber plant, yes, I have some great cucumbers coming along quite nicely, but all the new flowers and all the baby cucumbers are dying off, turning yellow, because they haven't had any pollinators coming along and sharing the love. And finally, probably one of the more frustrating things that I'm finding is that on my squash plants, on my zucchini plants, and even my butternut pumpkin, I'm getting powdery mildew. It's all over the leaves. In fact, this one here, I've already pruned back to see if I could remove some of it. One of the plants has become really healthy and strong again, but this one here is really struggling. It can cause the plant to die if it's not dealt with properly. But this is just a few of the issues that I'm having with this excessive rainfall. If you're in a position that you can cover up your crop in any way, shape or form, I would definitely encourage you to do so. Don't allow this much rain to damage the soil, cause powdery mildew, or allow those slugs and snails to come out and play. Well guys, this is just some of the issues that I've been having with this La Nina effect off the east coast of Australia. I just wanted to let you know so that you can be better prepared if it's happening to you in the future. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.